Welcome back to another Diecast showcase. Today, I am going to be taking a look at this. This is the Hot Wheels RLC Dodge Tradesman. And yeah, these went on sale a little while ago. I don't know if they're still available. I honestly don't know. I don't really keep up. This was delayed. I think this dropped in like April or May. It dropped a couple months ago and it's been delayed. A lot of these recent RLC drops have been delayed and they're just now getting out. But I thought I'd also show this off. I'm not going to open it, which is why it's not getting its own video, but I actually got this yesterday. The 1998 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. This I know sold out. When Hot Wheels dropped this on the forums, people went crazy and I thought I'd just show it real quick. And it's nice. It's really good. The gold 10 spokes are great. The interior, the seats are actually kind of painted blue there. And it's so cool. The color is really nice. There's the back. Subi. Exhaust is detailed there. This thing is so awesome. You have the hood detail, and it actually looks pretty good if I can get it up close. There you go. That's pretty good. Hood detail looks solid. The only thing I don't know about this casting, I don't know how well the hood shuts. Of course, I'm keeping it carded, so I'm not going to have that answer, but because Hot Wheels, like, Spectraflame paint is so thick, there's a chance this does not close all the way, but I don't know. But I just wanted to show this off because I got it yesterday. It's a beaut. But today we're going to actually open up the Tradesman because it comes in an acrylic case. I can open it and then just screw it back onto the base when I'm done. So here is actually the first edition of the Tradesman. This came out a couple years ago in purple. And it's pretty nice. It looks pretty good. And you can see there is some opening parts. We will get to those later. But yeah, this is the second version. Gonna crack it open. Not numbered. The first one was numbered. They don't number these anymore. There's the art Dodge Tradesman. The outer box art is really good. It looks really sweet. There, you can read that if you want. You can look for typos too. All right, here we go. Here is the Tradesman. Actually, is that a different colored logo? No, I'm going crazy. Nice Tradesman logo there. That looks cool. Printed on there, and the Red Line Club logo. How easy will it be to take this acrylic case off? Oh, it didn't fight me that much. This one fought me a lot when I got it. All right. Okay, here we go. I'm going to unscrew this to get a better look at it, of course. But yeah, these RLC models are a little more pricey now. I think it was $38. I know the first version was $35. This one is $38 due to or $37, sorry. I think it was $37 due to the recent price increases for RLC. Trying to unscrew this. There we go. Gonna try and get this off, and any second now. I think I'm just stripping the head. I don't even think I'm spinning it. Oh, it's spinning. Come on. This is taking like all of my strength to do. There we go. Okay. Got it. Got it. All right. Here we go. Okay. Here is the Tradesman. Here it is. Silver base. You get a silver base on this. And you get it in a root beer. Is it officially? Oh, I put the package away. I think it is a root beer color. So you have this, of course, brown, Spectraflame brown or root beer, which is pretty cool. You have the wheels. The wheels are, these ones look really good, especially with the BF Goodrich printing. These wheels they're okay. They're an older Real Rider, so they don't look the best. They're not the most ideal. They look okay on this model, though. They aren't bad looking. Maybe they even fit the vibe. I don't know. But you have the Tiki printing here on the side, which looks really cool. Here's the back. You have Dodge. Dakine there on the license plate. Dakine, I'm not exactly sure how you'd say that. There's the taillights. Here's the other side. So the back there is printed in. That's printed in, right? Yeah. Printed in black. You have the front tampos, which is just the grille, painted silver, some headlights. The kind there on the front. Actually, is that part of the base? I think the grille's part of the base. Yeah, I think that may be how they constructed the casting. They may have made the grille a part of the base, which is why it's silver. Same with the exhaust. All right, this casting does have party tricks, which is why I brought this little tool out. There is opening parts, in fact, 4 of them, and you can kind of tell on this side. The doors here open. If you can't tell by the really large panel gaps, I'm going to try and pry them open. Oh, did I just scratch the tampo? I hope not. This is going to kill me. Come on. Using this tool to try and pry it open. I don't want to like get my fingernail in there, but I don't want to scratch the paint either. This is so nerve-wracking. I don't think my little tool here is sharp enough. Oh, wait. I think I got it. Oh, did I break the tool? Oh my god, I did. I broke the tip. Oh, this thing is not working. All right, let me just use my nail. Hold on. There we go. Okay, we got the back open. So here's the back. See, the inside of the doors are detailed. There's a bed back here, which is also has a bit of deco on it. Try and get a good view of that. My camera's in focus. There's the bed. Some curtains back there too. Now, the question is, do you think I can get these doors open? I kind of hope so. I want to show them off, but they're giving me a bit of trouble. Because I think they open outwards, right? It's probably killing some people, but if I can get one open, I can get the other open. This is going really bad. This is going horribly. Oh my goodness. There we go. There we go. Oh, you have to pop that one open and then this one. There we go. Okay, we got it. The door's open. You have a bit of an... Yeah, you do have a bit of detail in there. You can see you got the kind of the shagged carpet in there. You have the interior, all that, some seats. There's the bed back there. Yeah, cool opening doors. Opening features are always nice. And that's the Tradesman 2nd edition. I think it's solid. I like the first one more. I like the purple on this one more. And also the wheels, I like it more. But the Tiki Van vibe is really, it's a cool vibe. It looks pretty good. And yeah, like I said, the opening doors are pretty good. They shut. Let's see how they shut. They shut all right. And then the back. Oh, I shut them. Yeah, so they open a certain way so you can see how they're kind of directional. Yeah, they shut all right. A couple wonky panel gaps, but yeah, not bad. And yeah, do you like it? Did you pick it up? I think it's solid. I like the first one a little more, but still a decent model. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.